Okay, welcome to another episode of How This Gadget Works. So, I just came back from shopping at the Apple store and I picked up the MacBook Air. This is the 2021 version of the MacBook Air. I've got some special specs here. Over here I've got the 13-inch MacBook Air with the new M1 chip. I got a 16 gig unified memory version with the 1 terabyte solid state drive. Go big or go home, right? So this baby should have a very good battery life from what I've read online. I heard you get about 14 plus hours of battery life. But let's open this up. I'm actually excited about opening it up and testing it out. From someone who's actually had other MacBook Airs and MacBook Pros. Trying to see how this compares to the other ones. Let's see what's actually in the box here. And by the way, the model is the A2337. If you're wondering which model this is. Let's unbox this out. Very plain and simple box here. Typical Macs, or actually any Apple products, very clean. Very clean there. And let's have a look what's inside here. Let's get off that first lid. And as soon as you take off the lid, see the MacBook right there. Looks like it has a piece of plastic over it. You can pull the tab up. There we go. Oh, nice lightweight. Very thin profile, just like the picture shows there. Very thin. It's got the 2 Thunderbolt ports. So USB-C, should be fast at charging. It's got a audio jack here on the side. That's about it there. So in the box, we've got the charging cable here. Again, this is just a USB-C. Well, it's not much of a manual. It's just a quick little welcome to your MacBook Air. Gives you a little bit of information about the Thunderbolt USB 4. Talks a little bit about the menu bar, the FaceTime HT camera, and a spotlight control center. Okay. And some warranty information and the usual Mac. I think there's stickers here. Yep, some stickers if you want to advertise for them. And there's the adapter, power adapter that you plug into the wall. If I read it correctly, I believe either one could charge the MacBook. Okay, you can see there. Open this. It'll work out more. There we go. Ooh, as soon as you open it up, it powers on right away. And it's got a little piece of cloth right over the screen so it's not scratched as it boots up. Check that out. And right there you can set it up. Okay, it's got a very large touchpad surface.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
We'll test this out in a bit, check out the sound quality, and hopefully give you a review later on in terms of how good the battery life is. Does it really do 14 hours?
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay, sounds like I can use VoiceOver to set this up. But yeah, we'll set this up in the next video. Alright, so thank you for watching me unbox the new MacBook Air. Have a great day.